Have you ever imagined dying inside your own home without being able to open the door? That's exactly what happened during the Great Blizzard of 1888. It all started as a normal snowfall, but within hours, it turned into a white nightmare. Violent winds, freezing temperatures, and a blinding haze that erased the world outside. On the streets of New York, the snow began to rise, first covering feet, then knees, until it swallowed entire doorways. Inside their homes, families watched in confusion until they realized it was too late. The way out had disappeared. Doors wouldn't open. Windows were sealed shut by ice. Outside, the snow formed massive walls, trapping everyone inside, as if the city had been buried alive. And then came the silence. No electricity, no communication, no help, just the sound of the wind and the cold slowly invading every room. Some families tried to survive. They burned furniture to stay warm, rationed food, melted snow for water. But time was against them. Every hour without heat was a step closer to the end. And when some decided to leave, it got worse. The moment they opened the door, they faced a maze of snow. No direction, no visibility. People got lost just a few meters from home and were never seen again. Days later, bodies were found, frozen, some still near their own doorsteps. In total, more than 400 people died, and many of them never even made it outside. The scariest part? They weren't on an adventure or lost in the wild. They were safe, or at least they thought they were. If stories like this keep you hooked until the end, make sure to like and follow, because there's a lot more real and terrifying stories coming. Now think about this. If a storm like this started today, would you know what to do? Or would you be trapped too, waiting for time to decide your fate?